Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio. And that's pretty much it, so you guys can carry on with the rest of your week. And then in the next video, we'll talk about getting back to the basics and doing some research on why you should start investing right away and stop delaying it if you haven't already started. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where you put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So as you can see here on the day, the end of the week there last week, closed out at $17,674.84. We're up $77.73, up 0.44% for the 1 week. We were down $139.31, down 0.78% for the 1 month, down $335.49, down 1.86%. For the 3 months, we're up $128.84, up 0.73%. For the 1 year, if it doesn't want to load, that definitely doesn't want to load. Definitely couldn't load that one. So we'll go ahead and skip that one. Go to the all. We're up $1,888.89, up 11.97% since starting this portfolio. Let's look at the 1 year. Nope, still not there. So we'll just leave it on the all there. And you can see here we have $34.20 in the cash account. We got our newest position, but that is not the position we increased. The position that we increased was Royal Bank of Canada. We bought 1 share. And the reason we are buying this share is not because of the stock price or the fundamentals of any of that sort. Well, of course, it is just a solid financial institute, solid company in Canada. And throughout the dividends that we receive every single month, there are a few quarters that are lacking in the amount of dividends we are receiving. So we are just beefing that up by increasing the positions in certain stocks, and Royal Bank is one of them. And so we had purchased 1 share at $137.14 on March 3rd. We bought 1 share there, and then every single week, as we always do, we do purchase a fractional share in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. That one closed out at $97.73. Bought $25 worth of this ETF, which gave us 0.2578 of shares. Total cost of $25. So those are the positions we bought last week there. And yeah, we'll just leave it at that. And then we'll go ahead and update you guys on trackyourdividends.com, which is completely free to use. Just very handy tool to track how much dividends we're going to receive every single month and see what the dividends we're going to receive throughout the whole year in the position. So as you can see on the screen here, portfolio yield sitting at 3.99%. Our yield on cost is 4.46%, thanks to the strategy of dollar cost averaging. Annual income from dividends is $695. Of course, divide that up by quarterly and you'll get that average on that one. Or divide it up by 12 and you can see the average monthly dividend that you'll receive typically. But of course, averages are not part of the full story. There are some months that pay $40 a month and some months that are up to $100 in this portfolio. But after we update all the positions, you can see on the screen here, portfolio yield down from 3.99 to 3.98%. Our yield on cost is 4.45%, and our annual income has increased to $701 per year, of course, divided quarterly. And that's trackyourdividends.com. So if you use it, it's completely free. I think there's a paid version. I don't use the paid version. I just go ahead and use it to track the upcoming dividends and an expected amount that we'll receive for that month. And so next we'll head over to ShareSite, which I do pay for, in fact. And this one, I like to use this one because it tracks your capital gains, your dividends, currency exchange if you hold US stocks, and it gives you an overall performance of the portfolio. So as you can see on the screen here, capital gains is up 5.19%, up $867.12. Dividends have gone up to $113.36, up 0.68%. Currency gain, because we do hold a couple US positions in here, up $9.66, up 0.06%. our total return is $990.14, up 5.92%. And so those are the buys for the end of last week. Hopefully at the beginning of this week, you found some value, you found something that you want to work towards in the upcoming week. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, we are going to talk about going back to basics and what it actually costs you when you don't start investing, because it can still be something that a lot of people don't have knowledge about, or something steers them away from even starting. And so have a great rest of your week, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.